Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are going to draw a cute elephant. Let's start! First, draw two big round eyes. Next, draw a long trunk. Now, draw a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the elephant's head. Great! Now, draw two big ears. Now draw the elephant's body and legs. Finally, draw a small tail. Let's add some grass on the ground. Now, let's color our elephant. Color the cheeks light pink. Color the inside of the ears pink. The body light gray. Some dark gray shading on the body. Blend it slowly to make a smooth gradient. Color the grass green. Color the ground light brown. Wow, great job! Your elephant looks so cute and amazing! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Kids Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next drawing. Bye!